easiest way to ensure that your system is performing optimally is to make sure you replace the batteries when they get old. This is a contact for a door or a window. There are two models, but the process for battery replacement is very similar. When the battery in your contact needs to be replaced, a zone trouble indicator will appear on your alarm keypad, and/or a sensor trouble message will appear on your ADT Pulse app. You should replace the battery as soon as these indicators appear. A door or window contact uses a single CR123A 3-volt battery or two CR2032 batteries. Before you replace your battery, it's a good idea to put your system into test mode to avoid a false alarm. This can be done by visiting myadt.com and selecting My Alarm from the dashboard. Then, select System Management from the menu that appears. Then select Test System and place System on Test. To change the battery, use a flathead screwdriver to push in the tab at the end of the contact. Replace the battery, observing the proper polarity. Then, replace the cover by snapping it into place. Once the battery is reinstalled, you can take your system out of test mode. You can also find detailed written instructions about replacing batteries by going to the ADT Help Center at adt.com/help. If you still have questions, give ADT a call at 800-ADT-ASAP.